What's up, guys? Today again with the M Audio monitors. So I replaced these caps once again, Chinese junk with better caps. So I'm still getting a crackle, and I'm thinking, what the fuck's going on now? So what I did and I decided to do was just recap the whole frickin' board, 14 capacitors, and these are all electrolytic. Now the important thing to note is your microfarad, your UF. So make sure that you do one at a time. Make sure you're noting, like I left all of these longer, I still have to clip them. You can see some have long legs, which are the positive, short legs are negative. The other thing that I ran into on this board, this one here and then the two over here on this board, are non-polar. So I got to look for some of them. I got to get 3 of them. And it has to, this one, the 3 of them I think are 1 microfarad. And the voltage, as long as you're going up in voltage, you're okay. So if you can't find the exact voltage of them, as long as you're going higher in the voltage, you're okay. The other thing that you want to take into consideration is like the temperature. You don't want to replace 105 Celsius with like an 85 Celsius. That's kind of a no-no. So if you keep that in mind, just time consuming, and then when you're done you got to clip all the legs and then get some flux remover and take like a soft toothbrush and scrub over everything, because way back in the day I had something short out on me and it was due to carelessness. So anyway, if you're still having a problem after you replace these caps here, with some good ones, not Chinese junk. And of course, I had to replace it with the Chinese junk on, the rest of them, because that's all I had. But that should take care of the problem, because if it was a transistor, you would get a lower voltage or a lower sound. Down here, your other transistors and stuff like that, it's gonna make it louder, but usually your resistors don't go bad. So if you're still having a problem after replacing these caps, you might want to recap the board.